guys, welcome to Cratcode. This extra HTML5 video, I'll be teaching you how to link multiple pages as one. So in the body tag, use the nav tag. Inside the nav tag, use the UL tag. Unordered list UL stands for, and then use the link tab. Use it for 3 times. You can see I have these other two documents, that is about.html and contact.html. I have saved the about.html and contact.html file in the same directory where I have saved this index.html, right? So what I have to do, I have to take this, okay, then I have to use the link tag here, that is the A tag, and inside the hyperreference I have to write index.html, and this will be the home. Then again A tag, and inside this will be about.html. This name should be same as the documents you want to link to, that is the about.html. This one will be about.html, and inside it will be about. And in the last one, again use A. Inside the hyperref, use the same name, that is the contact.html. Again I have saved these documents in the same directory. I have saved the index.html file, so let us just save it and reload it. You can see, okay, I have not written here anything, so just write contact us. Okay, save it, reload it. Here you can see this is an ordered list. Now if I create home, it shows Cratcode. If I write just if I click to about, it it links to something, but I cannot say it because I have to say these tags in all these documents. So just paste it here and here, save this document, reload this document. And I want to show you that in the title of about, I have to write about. In the title contact, I have write contact us. Okay, save it, reload it. You can see it is Cratcode, and I'm in my home page. Go to about, you can see it's about. Go to contact us, it says contact us. Go to home again, it says Cratcode. So this is how you link a document. I think you'll find this video helpful for you to build a web page where you want to create multiple web pages and link them as one. Thank you. Stay tuned with Cratcode.